Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on Mughal Empire. This will be the first part and later on I will share with you the other parts also. So if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our today's session. So first of all guys, Mughal Empire की जब हम बात करेंगे, so it was started in the year 1526 and ended in the year 1857. And in examination, mostly the questions are asked on these 6 Mughal rulers, that is Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb, right? So the first question of our session is, in which year Mughal Empire was established? A option is 1530, B option is 1526 and C option is 1776 and D option is 1857. So right answer is option B, that is 1526. And the Mughal Empire was started by the ruler Babur, right? Next question is, which war led to the establishment of Mughal Empire in India? A option is first battle of Panipat, B option is second battle of Panipat, C option is battle of Khanwa and D option is battle of Chausa. So right answer is option A, that is first battle of Panipat, right? आगे देखिए, मैंने कुछ यहाँ पर कुछ एक बैटल्स लिखे हुए हैं, सो हम इनको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। ये सभी बैटल जो है बाबर के द्वारा लड़े गए हैं। सो सबसे पहले होता है फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत, जो होता है 21 अप्रैल 1526 एंड दिस बैटल वाज फॉट बिटवीन बाबर एंड इब्राहिम लोधी. बाबर led the formation of Mughal Empire in India and Ibrahim Lodi was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate, or we can say the last ruler of Lodi dynasty, right? And one more point you have to remember is Babur used Tughlama warfare techniques in this battle. Question is also asked on this concept, right? So you have to remember it. And after this battle, Babur attained the title Kalandhar and Khakar, right? Next battle is Battle of Khanwa, which fought in the year 1527. And in this battle, Babur defeated the Sangram Singh or Rana Sanga of Mewar. And after this battle, Babur attained the title of Ghazi, right? Next battle is Battle of Chanderi, which fought in the year 1528. In this battle, Babur defeated the Medini Rai of Chanderi, who was a Rajput ruler, right? Next is Battle of Ghagra in the year 1529, and in this battle Babur again defeated the Afghan chief under the Mahmud Lodi. And if we talk about the Mahmud Lodi, so he was the brother of Ibrahim Lodi, right? And in the year 1530 Babur was died. So these all battles are important which are related to the Babur. गाइस, मैं आपके साथ एक ट्रिक शेयर करती हूँ इन सभी बैटल्स को याद रखने के लिए। तो सपोज कीजिए कि बाबर कहीं पर गए हुए थे, वहां पर उन्होंने पानी पिया, खाना खाया, चाय पी, फिर वो घर आए एंड मर गए, राइट? सो पानी पिया मीन्स फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत, राइट? खाना खाया मीन्स बैटल ऑफ खानवा, चाय पी मीन्स बैटल ऑफ चंदेरी एंड घर आए मतलब बैटल ऑफ घाघरा एंड मर गए मीन्स डाइड इन द ईयर 1530। और सभी जो है इनके बीच में वन ईयर का गैप है, सो आपको इजी रहेगा इस टेक्निक से याद रखना, राइट? और ये सभी बैटल से रिलेट करते हैं बाबर से। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ बाबर? ए ऑप्शन है तुजुक ए जहांगीरी, बी ऑप्शन इज बाबरनामा, सी ऑप्शन इज आईने अकबरी एंड डी ऑप्शन इज हुमायूंनामा. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज बाबरनामा और तुजुक आई बाबरी, राइट? More point you have to remember is Baburnama written in Turkish language and Jahangir-Nama written in Persian language, right? Next question is, the tomb of Babur is located at? A option is Agra, B is Kabul, C is Lahore, D is Delhi. So right answer is option B, that is Kabul. देखिए गाइस, जब बाबर की डेथ होती है in the year 1530, so first of all he was buried at Aram Bagh in Agra, but उनकी विश थी कि उनको काबुल में ही दफनाया जाए. So later on he was reburied in Kabul, right? So if the examiner asks you where the tomb of Babur located, so you have to remember Kabul. Okay, next question is, who constructed the Humayun's tomb in Delhi? A option is Humayun, B option is Akbar, C option is Babur and D option is Haji Begum. So right answer is option D, that is Haji Begum. And one point is clear from the question is, that is Humayun tomb is located in Delhi, right? Next question is, the Battle of Khanwa in 1527 was fought between? A option is Ibrahim Lodi and Rana Sanga, B option is Humayun and Nusrat Shah, C option is Humayun and Nusrat Shah and D option is Babur and Rana Sanga. So right answer is option D, that is Babur and Rana Sanga of Mewar. We have discussed it earlier. So next question is, who was the greatest emperor of Mughal Empire? A option is Jahangir, B is Akbar, C option is Babur and D option is Shah Jahan. So right answer is option B, that is Akbar. And Akbar reign is from 1556 to 1605, right? Your next question is the meaning of the name Babur is. A option is lion, B is king, C is fox, and D option is elephant. So right answer is option B, that is lion. बाकी देख लीजिए, अगर बात करें हुमायूं की, सो इट मीन्स फॉर्चुनेट, अकबर नेम मीन्स ग्रेट, एंड शाहजहां नेम मीन्स किंग और कॉन्कर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, राइट. Next question is, in the second battle of Panipat, Akbar defeated. A option is Genghis Khan, B option is Hemu, C option is Maharana Pratap, and D option is Nadir Shah. So right answer is option B, that is Hemu. देखिए, जितने भी अकबर ने जो है बैटल्स, इंपॉर्टेंट बैटल्स लड़े हैं, वो सभी मैंने यहाँ पर एड ऑन किए हुए हैं. तो वन बाय वन हम इनको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तो फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले देखिए बैटल ऑफ तुगलकाबाद इन द ईयर 1556. इन दिस बैटल हेमू डिफीटेड द अकबर. And in the second battle of Panipat, which also fought in the year 1556, and in this battle, Bairam Khan, who was the guardian of Akbar, defeated the Hemchandra Vikramaditya. And who was Hemchandra Vikramaditya, or we can say Hemu? So he was the last Hindu king of Delhi. Next है Battle of Sarangpur, which fought in the year 1561. In this battle, Adam Khan and Pir Muhammad Khan, who were the representative of Akbar in this battle, defeated Baj Bahadur of Malwa. Next battle is Battle of Haldigati, which fought in the 1576. In this battle, from Akbar's side, Raja Man Singh fought and defeated the Pratap Singh of Mewar, or we can say Maharana Pratap, defeated by Raja Man Singh, right? And one more point you have to remember is Akbar's last conquest was at Fort of Asirgarh in Deccan, right? Next question is, who was the commander-in-chief of Akbar? A option is Raja Todarmal, B option is Tansen, C option is Abul Fazl, and D option is Bairam Khan. So right answer is option D, that is Bairam Khan. Bairam Khan is also a guardian, tutor, and commander-in-chief of Bairam Khan, right? Next question is, the first English person who visited the court of Akbar was. A option is Ralph Beach, B option is Sir Thomas Roy, C option is John Hawkins, and D option is Peter Mundy. So right answer is option A, that is Ralph Beach visited the court of Akbar. Next question is Ain-e-Akbari and Akbarnama were written in Persian language. So A option is Abul Fazl, B option is Raja Todarmal, C option is Abdul Qadir Badani, and D option is Bairam Khan. So right answer is option A, that is Abul Fazl. Ain-e-Akbari and Akbarnama both are in Persian language, so they both are wrote by Abul Fazl, right? Next question is, where is the mausoleum of Sher Shah located? A option is Sasaram, B option is Delhi, C option is Kalinjar, and D option is Sonargaon. So right answer is option A, that is Sasaram in Bihar, the tomb of Sher Shah located. So let me discuss other important points which are related to the Sher Shah. Sher Shah या Sher Shah Suri, both are the same, right? So first of all, the Sher Shah Suri the, he belongs to Sur dynasty, which ruled over Delhi for 15 years, right? And his real name was Farid. And the title शेर खान given to him by बाबर खान लोहानी, who was the governor of Bengal. जो उनको शेर खान का टाइटल दिया गया था by बाबर खान लोहानी, वो कौन थे? गवर्नर ऑफ बिहार, राइट. जो अदर उनको टाइटल दिए गए थे वो थे शेरशाह, और शेरशाह टाइटल उन्होंने अटेन किया था आफ्टर विनिंग द बैटल ऑफ चौसा. और वो बैटल ऑफ चौसा लड़ते हैं हुमायूं के साथ, जिनको हम जो है फर्दर अभी डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट. जो अदर उनके पास टाइटल था वो था हजरत अला, राइट. सो शेर खान, शेरशाह या हजरत अला, ये तीनों टाइटल थे शेरशाह सूरी के पास, राइट. एंड शेरशाह सूरी बिल्ट द पुराना किला एंड ओल्ड फोर्ट, right. He also built the Grand Trunk Road, which is mostly asked in the examination, right. So Grand Trunk Road built by Sher Shah Suri, and Sher Shah Suri died in the year 1545 while campaigning against Kalinjar Fort, right. And Sher Shah Suri tomb is at Sasaram in Bihar. So these are all important points, please remember it. Next question is, who built Taj Mahal in Agra? So which ruler built the Taj Mahal? A option is Aurangzeb, B is Sher Shah, C option is Akbar, and D option is Sher Shah Suri. So right answer is option B, that is Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in Agra. Let me discuss some other points about the Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan, or Shah Jahan childhood name is Khurram. This is also important. So Shah Jahan built this Taj Mahal in the memory of his beloved wife, and wife name is Arjuman Banu Begum or Mumtaz Mahal, राइट. ताजमहल कंप्लीटेड इन द ईयर 22 ईयर. इसको जो है 22 साल लगे थे कंप्लीट होने में इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन, और इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू होती है इन द ईयर 1631 एंड गॉट कंप्लीटेड इन द ईयर 1653. ईयर इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड हु वाज द चीफ आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ ताजमहल? सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ उस्ताद अहमद लोहारी और ईसा मोहम्मद इफेंडी. Mostly in examination you find the options, that is Ustad Ahmad Lohari, right. Next question is, the original name of Mumtaz Mahal was. We discussed it earlier, so please give the right answer of this question. Your option is Arjuman Banu Begum, B option is Ladli Begum, C option is Mehrunisa, and D option is Gulbadan Begum. So right answer is option A, that is Arjuman Banu Begum. Question is, which building B Akbar was designed on the principles of Buddhist Bihar? A option is Panch Mahal, B option is Diwan-e-Khas, C option is Jodhabai Mahal, and D option is Buland Darwaja. So right answer is option A, that is Panch Mahal. Further, let me discuss some important monuments which are built by Akbar. First of all, देखिए फर्स्ट पॉइंट है अकबर बिल्ट आगरा फोर्ट. जो आगरा फोर्ट था इट वॉज बिल्ट बाय अकबर इन रेड सैंडस्टोन, राइट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ही ऑल्सो बिल्ट फतेहपुर सिकरी, जिसको कहा जाता है सिटी ऑफ विक्ट्री, एंड फतेहपुर सिकरी इज नियर आगरा. नेक्स्ट देखिए, इन फतेहपुर सिकरी he built Panchmahal, Diwan-e-Khas, Diwan-e-Am, Jodhabai Palace, Sheikh Shalim Chishti tomb, and Buland Darwaja, right? So you have to remember all these monuments which are built by Akbar. Next question is, the capital of the Mughal Empire was shifted from Agra to Delhi in 1638 by A option is Shah Jahan, B is Akbar, C option is Babur, and D option is Humayun. Important question है guys, so please remember it. The right answer is option A, that is Shah Jahan. Next question is, the first matrimonial alliance with the Rajput was established by Akbar with the dynasty of A option is Bundelas, B is Kachwahas, C is Rathors, and D option is Sisodias. So right answer is option B, that is Kachwahas. अगला क्वेश्चन है, which Mughal empire gave land for the construction of the Golden Temple at Amritsar? A option is Aurangzeb, B is Akbar, C option is Jahangir, D is Shah Jahan. So right answer is option B, that is Akbar. Akbar gave the land to the wife of Guru Ramdas, and the name of his wife is Bibi Bhani, and the construction of Amritsar was started by 5th Sikh Guru, that is Guru Arjan Dev, right. Next question is, at which of the following battle was Humayun defeated by Afghan ruler Sher Shah Suri? A option is Battle of Buxar, B is Battle of Haldighati, C is Battle of Chausa, and D is Battle of Thaneswar. So right answer is option C, that is Battle of Chausa, which was fought in Bihar. Next question is, which one of the following statement is correct? A option is Kashmir was annexed to Mughal Empire by Humayun, B option is Gujarat was annexed to Mughal Empire by Akbar, C option is Malwa was annexed to Mughal Empire by Jahangir, and D option is Khandesh was annexed to Mughal Empire by Shah Jahan. So right answer is option B, that is Gujarat was annexed to Mughal Empire by Akbar. And one more point you have to remember guys, गुजरात पे जो है वो विक्ट्री हासिल करते हैं अकबर इन द ईयर 1572. द ईयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इन द मेमोरी ऑफ हिज विक्ट्री वो बनवाते हैं बुलंद दरवाजा एट फतेहपुर सिकरी इन द ईयर 1576. दिस ईयर इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. सो राइट, गुजरात विक्ट्री इन द 1572 एंड द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बुलंद दरवाजा एट फतेहपुर सिकरी इन द 1576, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु बिल्ट द इबादत खाना एट फतेहपुर सिकरी? A option is Akbar, B is Jahangir, C option is Shah Jahan, and D option is Aurangzeb. So right answer is option A, that is Akbar. And question is also asked in this way, that for which purpose Ibadat Khana is used by Akbar? So you have to remember to discuss religious matters with scholars, or we can say for prayers Ibadat Khana was used. Next question is, who is the author of the book The Last Mughal, The Fall of a Dynasty, Delhi 1857? A option is John Kirkland, B is William Dalrymple, C option is Thomas Wilson, and D option is Simon Digby. So right answer is option B, that is William Dalrymple. Next question is, the Mughal emperor who died due to sudden fall from the staircase of his library was? A option is Babur, B option is Humayun, C option is Akbar, D option is Aurangzeb. So right answer is option A, that is Humayun. नेक्स्ट देखिए गाइज, यहाँ पर जो है हम कुछ हुमायूं के बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट बैटल और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखिए, बैटल ऑफ चौसा विच फॉट इन द ईयर 1539 एंड बैटल ऑफ कनौज विच फॉट इन द ईयर 1540. बोथ द battles was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri, and in both the battles Humayun got defeated by the Sher Shah Suri, right. And after the battle of कनौज हुमायूं जो है भाग जाते हैं फिर जो है अफगानिस्तान की तरफ, और फिर जो है दिल्ली पर जो है एक तरह से मुगल एम्पायर खत्म हो जाता है और शूर डायनेस्टी की जो है वहां पर रूल करना जो है शुरू कर देते हैं. एंड शूर डायनेस्टी रूल्ड ओवर द दिल्ली फॉर 15 years, राइट. देन आफ्टर 15 years द बैटल ऑफ सरहिंद फॉट इन द ईयर 1555, and this battle was fought between Sikandar Shah Suri, who was the ruler of Sood dynasty at that time, and the Mughal emperor Humayun. In this battle Humayun got victory and he re-established the Mughal empire in India. but after 1 year, Humayun died due to the fall from the staircase in his library. So this is all about Humayun. So next देखिए, next point है Humayunama. Humayunama was written by Gulbadan Begum, who was his sister, and Humayunama wrote in Persian language. Right, Humayun tomb is in Delhi, which was built by his wife Haji Begum, and Humayun tomb को कहा जाता है prototype of Taj Mahal. This is also important. Next point है Humayun laid the foundation of Deenpana at Delhi. Next point है he also built Zamali Mosque and Mosque of Isa Khan at Delhi. So these all points related to Humayun are important. So please remember it. Next question is which Sikh Guru was killed by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? A option is Guru Tegh Bahadur, B option is Guru Arjan Dev, C option is Guru Gobind Singh, and D option is Guru Ramdas. So right answer is option A, that is Guru Tegh Bahadur, in the year 1675. The year is also important, so please remember it. Next question is the world famous Takht-i-Taus and the Peacock Throne was kept in which of the following Mughal building? A option is Diwan Khas at Fatehpur Sikri, B option is Agra Fort, C option is Rang Mahal at Red Fort at Delhi, and D option is Diwan Khas at Red Fort in Delhi. So right answer is option D, that is Diwan Khas at the Red Fort at Delhi. जो Peacock Throne है उसको रखा गया था at the Diwan Khas in Red Fort at Delhi में. Right? Let me discuss some other points related to Peacock Throne और Takht-i-Taus. So first of all देखिए, जो Peacock Throne था, it was built by Shahjahan in 17th century, right? And one question is also asked, that is who was the last Mughal ruler to sit on the Peacock Throne? So you have to remember the name of Mughal emperor, that was Muhammad Shah, right? And Nadir Shah, who was the Persian or Iranian ruler, attacked India during the reign of Muhammad Shah in the year 1793. The question is also asked on this point. So next point is Nadir Shah captured Delhi and took away the Peacock Throne and Kohinoor diamond with him as the trophy of victory to Persia. Right guys? So नादिर शाह क्या करते हैं, इन द ईयर 1793 में दिल्ली पर अटैक करते हैं. उस टाइम जो रूलर थे वो थे मोहम्मद शाह. वो उनको डिफीट करते हैं और जो कोहिनूर डायमंड था और पीकॉक थ्रोन को जो है अपने साथ ले जाते हैं पर्शिया में अपनी विक्ट्री की जो है ट्रॉफी के रूप में. राइट, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इनको अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. Next question is who among the following had issued the coin rupee for the first time? A option is Muhammad bin Tughlaq, B option is Alauddin Khalji, C option is Sher Shah Suri, and D option is Akbar. So right answer is option C, that is Sher Shah Suri. Next question is which of the following rulers introduced the measurement of land? A option is Bahadur Shah, B option is Sher Shah, C option is Shah Jahan, and D option is Akbar. So right answer is option B, that is Sher Shah Suri. Next question is the Mughal emperor who appointed maximum number of Hindu officers was? A option is Humayun, B is Akbar, C option is Shah Jahan, and D option is Aurangzeb. So right answer is option B, that is Akbar. Next question is the British set up their first factory in Surat with the permission of which Mughal emperor? A option is Aurangzeb, B option is Shah Jahan, C option is Jahangir, and D option is Akbar. So right answer is option C, that is Jahangir. देखिए गाइस, जहांगीर के कोर्ट में दो इंग्लिशमैन जो है विजिट करते हैं. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सन एंड द ईयर व्हेन दे विजिट द कोर्ट. सो फर्स्ट इज कैप्टन हॉकिंस. ही विजिटेड द कोर्ट इन द ईयर 1608 and the title of English Khan was given by Jahangir to Captain Hawkins. Right. Next is Sir Thomas Roy. He visited the court in the year 1615 and due to his efforts, the factory at the Surat was established by the Britishers. Right. So that's all for today guys. I hope that you love the content. So please give one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.